Dear students, today we will learn graph theory, definition of a graph. Now see, a graph theory we are learning here. Now look this one. So a diagram G is there here. So here A, B, C, D, E, F, G are called as vertices. They are denoting with small circles. And the lines, for example A to B, there is a line, so all these lines are called as edges. Now observe, in A to B there is an edge, B to C there is an edge, and observe B to D there is no direct edge. Observe this one, and here for these edges there is no direction. Okay, now we will see the definition of a graph. A graph G is equal to V comma E consists of V, an empty set V of vertices or nodes we will call, and E is nothing but the set of edges, so we will denote with the set of edges. Now observe here, V is equal to vertex set, we are denoting like this, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and mod V is nothing but the number of elements in V, that means number of vertices, that is denoted with mod V. And the observe edge set E, we can write all these edge sets in these brackets. For example, observe this A comma B. So an edge we can represent like this. In an undirected graph we can represent A comma B like this. Now observe all the edges are written in E. Okay, then observe here mod E equal to 9. That means all these edges, number of edges is nothing but mod E, that is 9. So this graph G is called a non-directed graph between the vertices. Similarly, look here, we have a directed graph vertices are there here, A, B, C, D, mod V equal to 4, and E is equal to, we are writing within the set ordered pair A comma B. What is representing here ordered pair A comma B is nothing but there is an edge from A to B, not B to A. Observe here, in this diagram A to B there is a direction, that is nothing but A comma B we will write to represent this edge. We will write A comma B. Now there is no direction from B to A, that's why we are not written here B to A edge. Observe here, so all these are edges. Observe this diagram and observe these edges. Now therefore mod E is equal 5, that is nothing but number of edges in this graph. Okay, now observe here A comma B represents the edge start with A and end with B. So observe this edge. Graph terminology, types of graphs are there, and edges, they are undirected or directed given, multiple edges allowed or not is given, loops are allowed or given. Observe, these are the simple types of graphs. A simple graph consisting is an undirected graph and multiple edges allowed or not. That means we cannot allow in a simple graph multiple edges, and also loops are not allowed. Loop is nothing but there is an edge from vertex to itself, that is called as a loop. So in a simple graph no loops are allowed, multiple edges are not allowed, and the edges are undirected. Like this type of graph is given, so we can get all in all these graphs, so all these terminology. Okay, then task for you, find the graphs, just see and observe, that's all. Okay, nothing to do. So just type in Google these words, I mean these type of graphs, and how it look likes. Okay, observe all these graphs: an acquaintanceship graph, influence graph, collaboration graph, call graph, web graph, citation graph, module dependency graph, precedence graph, niche overlap graph, protein interaction graph, round robin tournament graphs, a single elimination tournament graph. Okay, so just look all these graphs in the Google. Okay, thank you.